welcome back to the series on raising self-worth and confidence using the power of your mind. I'm Danielle Antonson, your favorite hypnotist from LifeSpark Hypnotherapy, and today we are going to uncover something that holds many of us back, and that is our limiting beliefs about self-worth. So limiting beliefs are those deep-rooted ideas that we may not even realize that we have. They sit in the subconscious mind and quietly shape how we see ourselves and what we believe we deserve in life. These beliefs are often formed in childhood or during significant life events. For example, you may have been told directly or indirectly that you weren't good enough, smart enough, or deserving of love, and over time these messages become internalized and they begin to feel like the truth. But here's the thing, limiting beliefs are just stories. They are not facts and they can be changed. So today I want to guide you through identifying and beginning to shift those beliefs so that you can reclaim your innate self-worth. So let's start with 3 simple steps. Number 1, you're going to recognize your limiting beliefs. So take a moment to think about an area in your life where you feel stuck. It could be relationships, career, or even how you treat yourself. Ask yourself, what belief might be holding me back here? What do I tell myself about why I can't succeed? Grab a journal and write down your thoughts. Be honest, because this is for you. Since sometimes just seeing those beliefs on paper can be eye-opening. You might realize, wow, I have been carrying this thought around for years and it is not even true. Step 2, question that belief. Once you've identified that belief, it is time to question it. Ask yourself, is this belief 100% true? Where did it come from? What evidence do I have that contradicts this belief? And remember, beliefs are just thoughts that we've repeated so often that they feel real, but they are not set in stone. Which leads us to number 3, replace the belief. So let's reframe that limiting belief. If your old belief was, I'm not good enough, try replacing it with something like, I am learning and growing, or I already am enough, or I am already worthy. Affirmations are a powerful way to start rewriting those old stories. And when used during hypnosis, they become even more effective because they bypass the critical mind and go straight to the subconscious. So remember, self-worth isn't something that you need to earn. It is something that you already have. By recognizing and replacing limiting beliefs, you are reclaiming what has always been yours. So if this resonated with you, I encourage you to practice it regularly and see how your confidence begins to grow. And as always, if you want to dive deeper, hypnotherapy is a powerful tool to help you reprogram those beliefs on a subconscious level. So book a discovery call at lifesparkhypnotherapy.com, and I'll see you next time where we are going to explore the role of self-compassion in building lasting confidence. Until then, take care of yourself. You are already worthy.